the age might go up to 150 years, so length is 3 sufficient, and the range is 0 to 150. Okay, and you can add the range of the age depending on your need of the research. Like if you are interviewing the participant of age 18 to 80, then you can add range from 18 to 80, like that, and then go apply. And here it says you need to save your projects. Here I have not saved, so it is asking for saving. So right now I'm saving it. Yes, I'm saving it in one of the okay, entertainment, and as Epidata. Okay, save. And you need to save the file time to time. And next variable is gender. Gender is similar to that of ethnicity. So go over option new integer, add here, give the label gender, and length 1 is sufficient because it has only 3 options. It can go up to 1 2 3, so length 1 is sufficient. And you need to give the label, go over new, and we add here gender, and one for male, and two for inter female, and last for other. Okay, then apply, and you can give the range here. It go from 1 to 3. Beyond this it will not receive your data while entry. Okay, then apply. Next question is address. Address is you need to add string. So for that, go over the option ti, new string variable, and click it and draw over here. And address, and I am writing the length up to 15 because the name of the places, it might have very many words in it, so I am writing the length as 50, and no need to give any label here. And here address, and you can use this ti variable in order to write the full name or any descriptions like that in Epidata Manager. And then now I am applying. Okay, here I have added address. Now next question is, do you smoke? It is yes no question. You have to choose either yes or no. So you need to go over one option up here and then click here MP9. It means smoking, label as a smoking, and length is 1 is sufficient because either it is yes or no, either it is 1 or 2. If yes for 1 and no for 2, then its length is 1 or 2, so length 1 is sufficient. And I'm adding the variable label here, value label here. It is yes or no option, so I'm adding value label name, and one for yes, enter, plus sign for no, enter. Okay, and when you write the name, it comes over here. We have given the value label name as a ethnicity, gender, and yes no. Later, if you need the same question, yes no question later in other questions, then you can add yes no question from yes no from directly from here. No need to go over new option here and then create again 1 for yes, no for 0, like that. And I'm adding the range from 1 to 2. And then I'm applying. Okay, and next question is, if yes, how many sticks do you smoke in a day? Then go over here, If yes, how many stick smokes in a day? Actually, if he or she smokes 5 sticks a day, um, then this type of integer variable is very good at that situation. But if he or she says I smoke 3 per week, 3 sticks per week, then obviously he does not smoke 1 per day. So it must be good to add floating value, floating new float variable here. Instead of one an integer variable, you need to go over new float variable for this situation. And you need to be very careful while adding, whether it is integer or floating value or it is a string. You need to be careful. If you don't become careful, then while entering data, then you might encounter some problems that you cannot enter values. uh, if you have integer as a variable and you are trying to enter decimal in that in that question, then it is not possible. So you need to be careful, very careful. And go over here, I'm adding, if yes, how many stick, secret number. Okay, if yes, how many cigarettes per day. Then length, I'm adding the length 2, and decimal places as 2. It's okay, and I'm not adding the range over here. Then I'll apply.